Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to convert JPEG images into PDF files. Whether you want to combine multiple JPEG images into a single PDF or convert each image into separate PDF files, this guide will walk you through the process. For this demonstration, we'll use a free online tool called I Love PDF. This platform offers a variety of features for managing PDFs. To get started, open a web browser and search for I Love PDF. Once on the website, scroll down and find the JPEG to PDF option. Click on it to proceed. Next, select the JPEG images you want to convert. For example, you can upload multiple images at once. After uploading, you'll have customization options such as selecting the orientation, landscape or portrait, choosing the page size, A4 is the standard size, and adding margins if needed. If you want all your images combined into a single PDF file, ensure the Merge All Images in One PDF File option is checked. If you prefer each image to have its own PDF file, simply uncheck this option. Once you've made your customizations, click the Convert to PDF button. After the conversion process is complete, download your PDF. If you combined all images, the resulting file will contain all the uploaded images. If you opted for separate PDFs, you'll get individual files for each image. And that's it. You now know how to convert JPEG images into PDFs using I Love PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.